Hello, World Cleat. Okay, now today we're going to learn how to set up teamtalk 4.1 and all of its little things that need to be set up. So first we want to click on Client and Server List. Now, mine's already set up, but what yours would look like are all these green things which don't help you a whole lot. This would all be blank. So what you want to do is start here at entry name and fill it out like mine shows, unity.kbb1.com, and then host IP address, you want the same thing, unity.kbb1.com. On TCP port, you want 10333. On UDP port, you want the same 10333, and server password should be Malhut, M-A-L-H-U-T. We all know it's not spelled correctly, but it's the way they spelled it, and that's what we go by. Once all these things are filled out and properly put in place, you can click on this button here, Add and Update. Okay? Once that's done, then you come over here and hit Connect. You'll see all this come up. Now, up on the top, this is where the virtual meetings are held. So we come here to Virtual Groups, then BB Virtual Society, and here we have Meeting Room 1 or Meeting Room 2. So you know the location of those. Now, if you're coming to a lesson and you're going to sit with us and unite with us in a lesson, then we come here to Unity. Now, the majority of us choose English, so we click on English. As you see, there's 19 of us in this one Unity English room. All of us here hold each other in our hearts and thoughts as we work towards our unity. Now, one thing that's very important is the microphone. teamtalk 4, as a rule, will set up the microphone on voice activated. So you come here to Client, then Preferences. Now you see, mine's already set up, but we're going to walk through it. Normally, it would have the check mark right here. Just like that. But we don't want that. We want the check mark here, push to top. Remove the check mark from voice activated. Install the check mark on push to talk, then hit set up keys. This window, it tells you to hold the keys which should be used as a hotkey. Modifier keys like Shift, Control, and Alt can be used in combination with each other, with other keys. So, for me, I like it sweet and simple. So all I do is hit the key I want. I use the left Shift key. I hit it, release it, and it installs it right here and says, this is my key that I'm going to use if I want to speak in TeamTalk. I say OK. Here's my name, and I hold the Shift key down. You saw it turn green. One more time. And that's how you talk. When it's green, you can talk. Now, while you're here, rather than write something in this box, which you can if you want to send it to all 19 or however many people are there, but if you have something you need to ask of somebody or mention to somebody, you just simply pick their name. I'll pick on Mark, and we'll double click. And here is a box that opens up, and I will show you. I send the message, and in a moment, if I wait long enough, he will return a reply, and it will all show up here. Now, if I close the box out, then when he does reply, the box will reopen and I'll see it as a double box on the very bottom on my taskbar. So this is how you set this up. These are the things you need to do. And to close it out, because there's no button for disconnect, you can just simply red X. And you have now learned how to properly set up TeamTalk 4. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and remember that only together can we make it happen. Bye.